We are discuss about multi-server queuing model. Today we are discuss about multi-server queuing model M/M/C multi-server with infinite population model. This operating characteristic of M/M/C queuing model with infinite population. First one is formulas we have to use for scenario. Basing that scenario, we have to find out the formulas. Based the scenario, we have to apply the formula. First one is to find out the probability that an arrival as to white equal to P of n greater than equal to C and equal to sigma power of lambda base of n equal to C, E of n equal to sigma power of lambda n equal to C, 1 divided by C factorial C power of n minus k into bracket lambda divided by mu whole power of n, probability equal to lambda divided by mu whole power of C into C into mu divided by C factorial bracket C into mu minus lambda into probability. Second one is to find out the probability that an arrival enters the service without white equal to 1 minus probability of bracket of n greater than equal to C, or we can use 1 minus C bracket of lambda divided by mu whole power of k divided by C factorial bracket C minus lambda divided by mu into probability. And third one is we find out average queue length is given by lambda mu into lambda divided by mu whole power of C probability divided by bracket of C minus 1 factorial into bracket of C base of mu minus lambda whole square. And to find out the average number of customer in a system is given by LS equal to LQ plus lambda by mu equal to lambda mu into lambda divided by mu whole power of k probability divided by C minus 1 factorial C base of mu minus lambda square plus lambda by mu. And to find out the average waiting time of an arrival is given by WQ mu bracket of lambda by mu divided by C base of power of C comma probability and divided by C minus 1 factorial C mu minus lambda whole square. To find out the average waiting time of an arrival spent in a system is given by Ws equal to Wq plus 1 by mu equal to mu bracket of lambda divided by mu whole power of C probability divided by C minus 1 whole power of factorial and C base of mu minus lambda whole power of square plus 1 by mu. To find out the average number of idle server equal to C minus average number of customer served. This is an example program. A tax consultancy firm has 3 counters in its office to receive a people who have problem concerning their income, wealth and sale tax, and average 48 persons arrive in 8 hours in a day. Each tax advisor spend their time 15 minutes and average on arrival. The arrival are functionally distributed and service time are according to the exponential distribution. To find out the average number of customer in a system. Second one is average number of customer waiting to be served. Third one is average time a customer spend in a system. Solution: here there are 3 counters, C equal to 3, and before going to formula we find out mu value and lambda value. Lambda value will be 48 hours. 48 persons arrives in 8 hours, so lambda equal to 48 divided by 8 equal to 6 per hour. Lambda equal to 6 per hours and me equal to here 15 minutes to be spent in each tax advisor. me equal to 1 by 15 divided into 60. So we get me equal to 4 per hour. Here C equal to counter equal to 3, lambda equal to 6 per hour, me equal to 4 hour. And next we find out the probability. Before going to find out the 3 solution, we find out the probability. This is a probability formula. Bracket of sigma C minus 1 base of n equal to 0 into 1 divided by factorial n into bracket of lambda divided by mu whole power of n plus 1 plus c factorial divided by c factorial into bracket of lambda divided by mu whole power of c into c base of mu divided by bracket of c base of mu minus lambda root of minus 1. So applying this here, c value will be 3, 3 minus 1, 2, and n value will be 0, n divided by n factorial. Here mu value will be, as it is, we are not substituting any value. Here only we have to apply only the c value, 3 factorial, and then here 3 mu and 3. After that, here we have to be find out. To solve this, we have 1 divided by 1 plus lambda divided by mu plus 1 by 2 lambda divided by whole square plus lambda divided by mu whole cube divided by 6 into 3 mu divided by 3 mu minus lambda. So applying this, we get 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 3 by 2, because already we have find out the lambda values. 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, and finally we get the value should be 1 divided by 29 divided by 8 plus 9 divided by 8. The base will be 8 and divided by 38. So the value probability value will be, total probability value will be 0.21. So first problem is to find out the average number of customers in a system. Here we find out LS equal to, this is a formula, lambda mu into bracket of lambda divided by mu whole power of c minus 1 bracket of factorial into bracket of c base mu minus lambda whole square into probability plus lambda divided by mu. Here lambda value will be 6, mu value will be 4 into 3 divided by 2 whole power of 2, and c value will be 3, 3 minus 1 means 2 factorial. Here 3 into 4, 12 minus 6 whole square into 0.21 plus 3 divided by 2. So we solve this problem, we get the answer will be 1.74. This is the average number of customer in a system. And second one is to find out the average number of customer waiting to be served. So here the formula LQ equal to LS minus lambda by mu. Here LS value will be 1.74 and lambda divided by mu value will be 3.2. So 1.75 minus 3.2 means we get the value will be 0.24. And third question is to find out the average time a customer spend in a system. So formula will be WS equal to LS divided by lambda. So LS value will be 1.74, lambda value will be 6. So we get 0.29 hours equal to 17.14 minutes. So this is a formula. By using this scenario, we have to be solve out the problem. The average number of customer in a system, average number of customer waiting to be served, average time customer to be spend in a system,